Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you her real age is 85 but looks 20 years younger with baking soda. Remove forehead wrinkles naturally and get rid of any fine lines and wrinkles in forehead with very simple ingredients. This super effective remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is around a half teaspoon of instant coffee, that much. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, يعني كناريا الكتل. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of natural raw milk. Then we need to add a pinch of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder in this, it's not gonna work the same. And mix well all the ingredients. Once we mixed and combined all the ingredients like so, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on forehead and apply it on the fine lines and the wrinkles, and it's going to remove the wrinkles for you naturally. This is super effective remedy and super helpful. Leave it on your skin for 1 hour, then rinse it with warm water, and my friends, the result will amaze you. This is super effective in removing forehead wrinkles naturally. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies. Leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.